A big hello to Songbirds and Year 1 and Year 2 children. It's Mrs Barfield from Stoke-on-Trent City Music Service, and we're going to do some singing. Are you ready to do some singing? Yes, we are. Are you ready to do some moving? Yes, we are. Are you ready to do some listening? And some watching? Fantastic. Okay, let's have a little bit of a warm-up, and we're going to think about making some circles. I'm going to make some circles. Can you just about see with my hips? I'm going to pretend I've got a big slow hula hoop, and it's going round very slowly, very slowly. Can you do that with me? You need to be standing up for this. Oh, I'm going to catch it. I'm going to go round the other way. Round it goes. Lovely. And you can feel that stretching in your hips. Fantastic. And what about our shoulders? Let's make some circles with our shoulders. Round they go. They can go round the other way. And then let's make some big circles with our arms. So I want you to make your arms straight, and I'm going to come down here so you can see if you can make your arm go really close to your ear and stretch behind you. Well done. And the other one, and a big stretch behind you, and then one, and then the other. Oh, you need a little bit of space for that. One, and then the other. Fantastic. And what about our elbows? Let's draw some circles. Ooh, we could go round like that with our elbows. We can go round the other way. We could do all sorts of things with our elbows, making some lovely circles. Can you do really big ones and some very little ones like that? What about our wrists? Draw some circles with our wrists, one way and then the other. Lovely. And fingers. They can all draw lots of little circles. Fantastic. And what about your knees? You can't see mine. See if you can do some circles with your knees. And then I'm going to balance, and my foot is going to go round like that. My ankle's going to go round and then change, and the other foot. Lovely. And then very, very gently, I'm going to look that way. And I'm just going to do a half circle to the other side, and then back to the beginning. Well done. Okay. Let's have a little bit of listening and copying. So that's my turn, and then that's your turn. Are you ready? I'm going to use my finger as well. That might give you a bit of help. Ready? My turn. Ready? Lovely. I call that stroking my little puppy. Can you go really high? Okay. We did a little rhyme last week. I start, and then you need to copy. I wonder if you can remember it. It goes like this. Say lickety-split, 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 lickety-split. Lickety-rickety-trickety-split. Toodly-pip. Hop and a skip. Fancy a chip? Yes, please. Let's do it a little bit quieter. Say lickety-split. Lickety-split. Lickety-rickety-trickety-split. Toodly-pip. Hop and a skip. Fancy a chip? Yes, please. Let's say it a little bit louder. Say lickety-split. Lickety-split. Lickety-rickety-trickety-split. Toodly-pip. Hop and a skip. Fancy a chip? Yes, please. And here you are. Chips all round. Delicious chips. Ooh, I could do with some chips. Okay, we did. Do you remember? Baby 1, 2, 3, head and shoulders, baby 1, 2, 3, head and shoulders, baby 1, 2, 3, head and shoulders, head and shoulders. Ah, you remember the pattern? The next bit, shoulders, elbows, baby 1, 2, 3, shoulders, elbows, baby 1, 2, 3, shoulders, elbows, baby 1, 2, 3, shoulders, elbows, shoulders, elbows. Do you remember the next one? Elbows, hips, baby 1, 2, 3, elbows, hips, and baby 1, 2, 3, elbows, hips, and baby 1, 2, 3, elbows, hips, and elbows, hips, and baby 1, hips and knees, 3 hips and knees, and baby 1, 2, 3 hips and knees, and baby 1, 2, 3 hips and knees, and hips and knees, and baby 1, knees and toes, 2, 3 knees and toes, and baby 1, 2, 3 knees and toes, and baby 1, 2, 3 knees and toes, and knees and toes, and baby 1, 2, 3 head and shoulders, shoulders, elbows, elbows, hips and hips, and knees and toes, and baby 1. Oh, I nearly ran out of breath at the end. So I'm going to put my music on so we can, it's jazzy music, so we can have a little bit of a groove and a move. And let's see if you can do the actions, and if you think you know it, see if you can join in with the words as well. If it's new to you, just see if you can get those actions. So it's 1, 1, and then 2 times, isn't it, for each of those actions. And then at the end, we do it all through, and baby 1. So, are you ready? Let's have a go. Baby 1, 2, 3, heads and shoulders, baby 1, 2, 3, heads and shoulders, baby 1, 2, 3, heads and shoulders, baby 1, 2, 3, shoulders, elbows, baby 1, 2, 3, shoulders, elbows, baby 1, 2, 3, shoulders, elbows, baby 1, 2, 3, elbows, hips, and baby 1, 2, 3, elbows, hips, and baby 1, 2, 3, elbows, hips, and baby 1, 2, 3, hips and knees, and baby 1, 2, 3, hips and knees, and baby 1, 2, 3, hips and knees, and baby 1, 2, 3, knees and toes, and baby 1, 2, 3, knees and toes, and baby 1, 2, 3, knees and toes, and baby 1, 2, 3, heads, shoulders, elbows, hips and knees, and baby 1. How did you get on? Did you keep up? Did you give up? I hope not. Oh, well done. Oh my goodness, that's warmed up my body and it's warmed up my voice. Okay, we're going to start a new song this week. It's been very, very cold, hasn't it? Brrr. Can you do that? Brrr. And my song is called Jack Frost. Jack Frost. He's that magical character, isn't he, that comes around in the night or maybe the early morning and turns everything white and frosty. So my song is called Jack Frost and it starts Jack Frost, Jack Frost, Jack Frost, Jack Frost. And can you really use your lips and your tongues and make those words quite short? Jack Frost, Jack Frost, Jack Frost, Jack Frost. Well done. What did you do last night? What did you do last night? What did you do last night? You came dancing down my street. You came dancing down my street, turning all the pavements white, turning all the pavements white. And it goes like this. La-da-da-da-dee goes Jack Frost, Jack Frost. Try. Jack Frost, Jack Frost. What did you do last night? What did you do last night? Let's try from the beginning. Ready? Jack Frost, Jack Frost. What did you do last night? Once more. Jack Frost, Jack Frost. What did you do last night? You came dancing. You came dancing down my street. Again. You came dancing down my street, turning all the pavements white. Again, from the beginning. Ready, Jack Frost, Jack Frost, Jack Frost. What did you do last night? You came dancing down my street, turning all the pavements white. Well done. Jack Frost turns the pavements white, and he turns the gateposts white, and he turns the windows white, and he turns the rooftops white. So there are 4 verses, and you can remember that. I've been having a think about how to remember the different words. We've got pavements, gateposts, windows, rooftops. So we start at the bottom, the pavements, the gateposts, the windows and the rooftops. Let's have a go. Ready? Jack Frost, Jack Frost. What did you do last night? You came dancing down my street, turning all the pavements white. Remember the next one is the gatepost. And Jack Frost, Jack Frost. What did you do last night? You came dancing down my street, turning all the gatepost white. The windows next. Ready? Jack Frost, Jack Frost. What did you do last night? You came dancing down my street, turning all the windows white. Remember the last thing? The rooftops. And Jack Frost, Jack Frost. What did you do last night? You came dancing down my street, turning all the rooftops white. Well done, we've made a really good start. We'll do it next week. There's one more little bit to learn, and we'll try it next week with the music. So can you remember the order of the words? The pavement, the gate posts, the windows and the rooftops. Well done. We're going to finish. Let's have a little look. Let's finish with Robin in the Garden. All the way through, do you think we can do it? I think we can. Robin in the Garden, let's do it with our piano music, and I will be able to help you, just in case you might have forgotten some of those words. So Robin in the Garden, hop, hop, hop. Are you ready? And you need to watch me at the end, because we do a little bit again. We repeat a little bit at the end. We go a little bit slower, and then there's space for a little bit of whistling. And then I will listen carefully, and I will see if I can come in at the right time. So watch me as well. Are you ready? Robin in the garden, hop, hop, hop. Seems to me you never stop, stop, stop. Very pleased to meet you when I hear your song. Then I know that springtime won't be long. Robin. Robin in the garden, dig, dig, dig. Searching for a worm that's big, big, big. Very pleased to meet you when I hear your song. Then I know that springtime won't be long. Friendly little bird. Friendly little bird, you're brave, brave, brave. Jumping on the garden spade, spade, spade. Very pleased to meet you when I hear your song. Then I know that springtime won't be long. Very pleased to meet you when I hear your song. Then I know that springtime won't be long. Were you watching at the end? Oh, I nearly did it. I nearly got it right, didn't I? I had to listen really carefully. Okay. Oh, I've just got about 1 minute. Are you ready? Who's got a brother? Ah, if you've got a brother, you need to go, I've got a brother. I've got a brother, so I'm going to lead and I'm going to reply. Who's got a brother? I've got a brother. Stand up, turn around, clap your hands and now sit down. Who's got a sister? Stand up, turn around, clap your hands and now sit down. Who's wearing blue today? Stand up, turn around, clap your hands and now sit down. Who likes chocolate? Stand up, turn around, clap your hands and now sit down. Give yourselves a clap. Well done. Fantastic. It's time for our goodbye song. It's been lovely that you've joined me, and I hope to see you next time. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Let's all sing that beautifully quietly together. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye, everybody.